It's the start of the competition. We will see how the riders struggle at the beginning of today's meeting. From the inner curb as follows: Jarek Hampel, Andreas Jonsson, Christoph Kasperzak, and close to the safety fence, Chris Harris. The tapes rise. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. Andreas Jonsson drops into last place. First, Jarek Hampel. Andreas Jonsson bringing up Christoph Kasperzak, overtakes. A dangerous situation. Chris Harris lost a place. First, Jarek Hampel has let himself be cheated by his rivals. Andreas Jonsson, Christoph Kasperzak is overtaken. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Chris Harris, right behind Christoph Kasperzak. Andreas Jonsson, last. The situation changes instantly. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Andreas Jonsson is still in fourth place. Entering the crucial last bend. Chris Harris wins. Well worth it. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. The inner curb as follows: Matti Zegar, Thomas H. Jonasson, Chris Harris, and close to the safety fence, Chris Holder. The tapes rise. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. Thomas H. Jonasson comes in front. First, Matti Zegar drops into last place. Matti Zegar last. Thomas H. Jonasson has let himself be cheated by his rivals. Thomas H. Jonasson drops into last place. Thomas H. Jonasson last. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Chris Harris, right behind Chris Holder. Thomas H. Holder has let himself be cheated by his rivals. What a thrilling moment! Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Chris Harris leading from the start. Entering the last bend. It could end up badly. Chris Harris is in a class of his own. Well worth it. We're just about to start the third round of heats. Gates. Red, Chris Harris. Blue helmet, wild card. White, Niels Christian Iversen. Yellow, Michael Jepsen Jensen. Tapes go up. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. Niels Christian Iversen comes in front. Michael Jepsen Jensen last. Michael Jepsen Jensen comes in front. Michael Jepsen Jensen drops into last place. Niels Christian Iversen comes in front. Chris Harris touches the air fence. Chris Harris bringing up the rear. Niels Christian Iversen takes the lead. Race is at the halfway stage now. Elbow to elbow. Elbow to elbow. Michael Jepsen Jensen bringing up the rear. The situation changes in Niels Christian Iversen takes the lead. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Wildcard overtakes. Elbow to elbow. Wildcard overtakes. Chris Harris touches the air fence, entering the crucial last bend. Wildcard cheated his Niels Christian Iversen wins. What a wonderful slice of action. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. The gates. Red, Nicky Pedersen. Blue helmet, Chris Harris. White, Greg Hancock. Yellow, Troy Batchelor. Start. A dangerous situation. An even start for the pack. Greg Hancock cheated his opponents. Troy Batchelor bringing up the rear. Takes the lead. Troy Batchelor last. Chris Harris touches the air fence. Troy Batchelor is still in 4th place. Troy Batchelor bringing up the rear, elbow to elbow. There's no Nicky Pedersen is overtaken. Elbow to elbow. Troy Batchelor is way behind his rivals. Nicky Pedersen is overtaken. Greg Hancock taking the checkered flag, entering the crucial last bend. Greg Hancock is in a class of his own. No stories in this race. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. The inner curve as follows. Jason Doyle, Chris Harris, Ty Woffenden, and close to the safety fence, Matvey Janowski. The tape dries. A dangerous situation. An even start for the pack. A dangerous situation. First, Jason Doyle. Chris Harris bringing up the rear. Matvey Janowski drops into last place, elbow to elbow. Chris Harris touches the air fence. First, Jason Doyle, elbow to elbow. Matvey Janowski takes the lead. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Ty Woffenden, right behind. Ty Woffenden takes the lead. Matvey Janowski bringing up the rear, elbow to elbow. The situation changes instantly. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, Ty Woffenden. Ty Woffenden takes the lead. Entering the last bend, elbow to elbow. Ty Woffenden is over. Chris Harris wins. It was a fascinating race. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. The inner curve as follows. Niels Christian Iversen, Matvey Janowski, Nicky Pedersen, and close to the safety fence, Chris Harris. Take off. Elbow to elbow. Matvey Janowski cheated his opponents. First, Matvey Janowski drops into last place. Matvey Janowski last. First, Niels Christian Iversen. And Sayanovsky bringing up the rear. Races at the halfway stage now. Elbow to elbow. Niels Christian Iversen in the lead from the gate. And Sayanovsky, Nicky Pedersen is overtaken. Nicky Pedersen comes in front. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. And Sayanovsky is still in fourth place. Niels Christian Iversen is overtaken, entering the last bend. Niels Christian Iversen is in a class of his own. What a wonderful slice of action. In this heat, everything is at stake. The places on the podium are about to be decided. As follows: Jarek Hampel, Chris Harris, Greg Hancock, and close to the safety fence, Niels Christian Iversen. Start. A dangerous situation. An even start for the pack. Greg Hancock cheated his opponents. First, Jarek Hampel. Chris Harris, last. Niels Christian Iversen drops into last place. Greg Hancock lost a place. First, Chris Harris. Niels Christian Iversen bringing up the rear. Jarek Hampel overtakes. Elbow to elbow. It's pretty close. Hancock takes the lead. Jarek Hampel last. What a thrilling moment. Niels Christian Iversen lost a place. First, Greg Hancock. Greg Hancock takes the lead. Elbow to elbow. Entering the last bend. Greg Hancock takes the lead. Niels Christian Iversen has let Greg Hancock wins. What a wonderful slice of action. Grand Prix victory for Greg Hancock. We've also got Chris Harris and Niels Christian Iversen on the podium.